Hey everyone, it's Matt. Will another round of stimulus checks cause another buying frenzy and mania in the stock market and Bitcoin or crypto market? Well, that's what we're going to be talking about today. If you haven't done so already, make sure to hit that subscribe button right down below the video. Thank you. You're awesome. I really do appreciate it. And feel free to check out any other videos here on the channel. But yeah, so if you haven't been following this, they are talking about distributing another $1,400 stimulus check for everybody, adults, dependents, and adult dependents. This is ridiculous. This is a lot of money. Now, don't get me wrong. A lot of people need this stimulus check for the necessities and surviving right now. Don't get me wrong. A lot of people need this money really badly right now. So $1,400 would be really nice for a lot of people. However, like I've talked about in some of these studies that we've talked about, and if you just do the research, there's a lot of people, I shouldn't say a lot, there's a handful of people who actually don't need this money and have just been using this as just kind of like play money in the stock market and the crypto market, which you've seen tons of volatility lately. So the question is, will the markets, stock market, crypto market, currency market, will all of this see a lot more volatility and mania buying frenzies if we get this other $1,400? Well, think about early last year, around the April time in 2020. Recently, the market pegged a bottom and it started shooting higher. Well, guess what happened? This $1,200 stimulus checks were distributed and the thing just continued to run higher to what brings us to where we currently are, which is basically sitting at all-time highs once again. So I would have to say, if we do get another round of $1,400 stimulus checks, yes, of course, a lot of people will be using these for necessities. But then there's still going to be that group of people who maybe doesn't need the money, or maybe they do need the money, but they say, hey, I want to play with it in the stock market or the crypto market instead. So let's pile it in there and I'll figure out how to eat a different day, right? Now, that's not funny, but I mean, realistically, that is the reality of what some people are doing, because there's a lot of opportunity in the market right now if you happen to know what you're doing. So yeah, if we happen to see another stimulus package, which we likely will see more stimulus and another round of stimulus checks, I wouldn't be surprised one bit to see another buying mania in maybe certain specific stocks, maybe the stock market as a whole, see this thing run higher. The crypto market for sure. There's a lot of younger people in the crypto market. The crypto market isn't necessarily for the older guys, right? The older guys like stocks. They just buy and hold stocks. Back from, 1972, they bought a bunch of GE stock and they're still sitting on it today, that kind of thing. But the younger crowd, these younger guys, like all of us, we like to maybe like day trade the markets, or we like to buy crypto, right? Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, or the altcoins, all of these. So yeah, I would not be shocked one bit to see these things run significantly higher with all of that money being pumped into the market. So we'll have to be continue watching this, and we'll have to see what happens. But yeah, it could be an amazing buying opportunity to see this. You also got to be careful of this too. By the way, I just want to say I'm not giving you financial or investing advice at all. I'm not telling you what to do. Just letting you know what we can probably expect to see here coming soon when we get this next stimulus package. One thing you got to remember though too, with all this free money coming into the market, this could be a way and an opportunity for the big guys holding millions of shares and tens of billions or hundreds of billions of dollars of stock. It might be their opportunity to start releasing and selling their positions, unloading these positions into the people who are coming in with all this money to buy. So be aware of that these big guys, the hedge funds, all these guys that have billions upon billions of dollars that they need to exit positions, it might be a great way with all the liquidity coming into the market where they can start dumping all of their positions and their shares. So just be careful with that too. I'll continue watching everything. I love checking this stuff out. I watch it on a daily basis very closely, all of these markets. I'll continue to be here. Don't worry. I'll keep you posted. Thanks again for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Leave me a comment if you want. Otherwise, I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks, everybody. I'll see you again soon. See ya.